How to get rid of fruit flies in drains in simple steps. Fruit flies are small flying insects that are attracted to decaying matter, such as food and other organic waste. These pests can quickly invade your kitchen or bathroom. And if they do, they will contaminate foods and also make it difficult to use the sink. Fortunately, there are several ways to solve this problem. From cleaning out the drains and using homemade traps to store-bought sprays and preventive steps, you can quickly get rid of fruit flies and prevent them from returning. In this video, we'll discuss some of the fastest ways to get rid of drain flies and get your drain back to normal. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of these annoying pests. Get rid of it! Methods of getting rid of fruit flies in a drain. There are several methods that work when you have too many fruit flies in your drain. It does not matter whether they are in your sink or bathroom drain hole, the methods work for all drain types. 1. Cleaning the drain. Cleaning the drain is one of the most effective ways to get rid of fruit flies from that area. To do this, you can pour a mixture of salt, baking soda, and vinegar down the drain and leave it to work its magic overnight. To further sanitize the drain, pour a half-gallon of water and 1 cup of vinegar or bleach down the drain. Mix the vinegar or bleach into the water before pouring it down the drain. You can also use boiling water for the same purpose to loosen any rotting matter. Then, use a metal pipe brush to clean the pipe lining. 2. Using DIY traps. Homemade fruit fly traps are also effective in catching any remaining flies after cleaning the drain. A few easy-to-make traps will work their magic in this case. One of them is the fruit trap. To make this trap, place a small piece of ripe fruit in a cup covered with plastic wrap. Next, make a few small holes in the wrap with a fork. The flies will find their way into the cup through the holes in the plastic wrap. But they cannot find their way out. Trapping the flies this way kills them fast. Another method is to mix a cup and a half of apple cider vinegar and 5 drops of dish soap. Put the mixture near the drain after heating it in the microwave for 15 seconds. The heat will make the smell more potent, attracting more flies that way. As the fruit flies come to feast, they get drowned in the vinegar. 3. Using commercial fruit fly eliminators. If all else fails, you can use commercial fruit fly eliminators. These products can eliminate fruit flies quickly and effectively. That said, make sure you only use products that are safe for the environment, your home, and pets. Check our recommendations in the description and pinned comment. Don't fail to read and follow the manufacturer's instructions to the letter. This is because some of these products can become unsafe if applied wrongly. Other effective methods. Other methods of getting rid of fruit flies in drains include using sticky traps. You can clean the drain with a mixture of vinegar and baking soda or use natural repellents, such as cedar chips and basil. You can also mix water and white vinegar and boil the mixture. Leave the saucepan or pot open during and after boiling it. The smell will attract fruit flies from all over the house and the liquid will trap them. The same applies to using apple cider vinegar alone. In addition, you can also use essential oils, such as lavender or lemongrass, to repel fruit flies. Finally, you can use a combination of all of these methods to effectively eliminate and prevent fruit flies from returning. Reasons for getting rid of fruit flies in drains. There are several reasons for getting rid of fruit flies in drains. First, fruit flies are a nuisance as they can quickly multiply and become an eyesore in the home. Second, they can spread diseases as they are known to feed on rotting food and other organic matter. This means they can transfer bacteria and other germs to clean food and surfaces. Additionally, fruit fly larvae can clog drains, making them difficult to use. Finally, fruit flies can be a sign of a larger pest problem, such as a rodent infestation. Rodents can come through drains, so it may mean they are already there. Getting rid of the fruit flies can help you identify if there is a larger issue at hand. Preventing future infestations of fruit flies. After getting rid of the fruit flies in your drains, the next crucial step is to prevent a future infestation. So, take the following steps. Eliminate sources of attraction. To prevent future outbreaks, you should eliminate sources of attraction. Keep all fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator and clean up any spills, dirt, or debris. Also, ensure you properly seal windows and doors when necessary. In addition, check the door screens to ensure they are in good condition. Properly dispose of trash and old traps. Properly disposing of trash and old traps will go a long way in preventing an infestation. Seal all garbage bags and take them outside as quickly as you use them. You must also empty and clean out traps regularly to prevent fruit flies from returning. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.